Hi, my name is Stella. My role is a director, and the industry I work in is consulting. I would give Canva a 5-star rating. Before looking into Canva, I had looked at Photoshop. One of the reasons of ruling against that option was expense. It's pretty expensive compared to Canva. So in terms of going with Canva as our end option as a user of that software, was mainly looking at price and ease of use of the design tool. Was also thinking about how contemporary a lot of the formatting that is provided in the templates is. Matches very much our aesthetic and our clientele and what they're looking for. So in terms of looking into Canva and ultimately deciding with it and putting it into practice for our organization, we've been using it for a number of years. It's pretty simple for folks who are familiar with it. Others have challenges. We've seen some changes around the use of it within our team. So some folks are still onboarding, still getting practice in it, and most of our roles don't need to use it. But for those who do use it, it's very easy. So for folks thinking about using Canva, it's a very helpful, very easy interface to use, very affordable. There's a lot of free templates and there's a relatively low cost for things that are paid. I'd highly recommend how easy it is to onboard in terms of implementing for social media, for reports, just a variety of uses. It's very helpful.